Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be decorating my weekly spread in my catch-all planner for the week of April 11th, and I decided to use stickers out of the Pressed Florals sticker book. I love this sticker book. It's kind of like a 70s vibe with all of the florals. That's what it makes me think of anyway. And I just decided, since it's spring, or it's at least trying to be spring here in the mountains, I wanted to just really do like a floral spread that I think will give me some of the spring vibes. This sticker book, of course, has tons of color. You can tell just off the front. Every color in the different flowers and the boxes, but what I pulled out is mostly like blue, purple, and green. So that is kind of the color scheme for this spread. So let's go ahead and get started. This sticker, it says, "I want to feel as free as the flowers," and that's the one we are going to start with. Put that one up in the corner. And the planner, you may know this already if you've watched some of my other videos, but the planner that I'm currently using for my catch-all is the Let Love Grow classic size vertical layout planner by the Happy Planner. And so it is very, it's just a very floral themed planner to begin with. So a lot of my spreads, we'll have to see if a lot of them end up being florals throughout the year. But the dividers, the different sections, there's a lot of beautiful florals in this planner. Okay, I want to kind of overlap this sticker up here, but without covering, oh, I was like gonna say without covering the 11, but we're totally covering Monday. I think I'm just gonna be okay with that. Maybe I'll write it in or something. Maybe we can find a sticker for that. Okay. And then I pulled a couple of these. One we'll use over here and one over here. They just say remember, and they have blue and green underneath the word. Let's go ahead and put that there. A lot of these gorgeous leaves we're gonna put throughout. Okay, and then I think we're gonna overlap a little bit with a couple flowers at the bottom. So let's see if we can get this in line as much as possible. I guess at the bottom is where it's most important right now. Oh gosh, steady. Okay, I have these two that we are gonna kind of overlap on here. Let's get that one. Oops. Seems more difficult right now for some reason. There we go. I think that's close. And then this one. Oh, I should have put that one a little higher maybe. Well, we'll just go a little bit lower with this one, and then we'll cut the bottom off and see if we can reuse the bottom. Right, and then here is the sticker that I saw first. This was the sticker that kind of inspired this whole spread. I love it. It says just bloom. And from there is how I kind of decided. At first I was just thinking blue, and then I decided I don't want it all to just be blue. And then from there just added in the purple and green. Okay, Okay, and then we have this sticker that says grow through what you go through. And we're gonna add that one on here as well. Let's actually go right below. Yeah, I think below that. Okay. Oh, and I forgot, these leaves I kind of wanted to layer back here. Let's see. This is risky, but let's see if I can pull up part of this sticker. Oops. Okay. Okay. There we go. We got it. Okay. Hopefully that will stay down. Sometimes they don't stick as well when you have to pull them up and then stick them down again. And then the other remember we're going to put over here on Friday. I may end up using this for something else, but my original idea is to put just like a scripture here or something, a good reminder, as this Friday the 15th is Good Friday. We'll begin our just Easter weekend reflections and celebrations, so I might do that there unless I need it to be a reminder for something else. Okay, so the last thing I want, actually before we get to the boxes, I have some boxes that we're going to cluster on the rest of this spread, but I do want to cut the bottom of this flower sticker off, and we'll see if we can place it somewhere else. And then I have one little edge to cut over here. For this, I think I might just want to, yeah, I'm just gonna continue it across the bottom here, so it'll go over to the other page. I might not have cut that super straight, so we'll get that edge off of there. Okay, and then try to get rid of that scrap. And then right here we just have a small edge just to get rid of. Okay, now some boxes. Actually, I'll go ahead, yeah, I'll go ahead and just cut this for us right away. And then I will have to punch a hole punch right over those stickers to make sure the bottom of the page will go back onto the discs. Okay, but real quick, let's get some boxes on here, and then I think we'll be able to call it good. So we're just going with purple and green boxes that have the either white or purple flowers to kind of stick with our color scheme. The blue, so there are blue boxes, but the only ones I had left have like really bright yellow or pink flowers on them. Very pretty, but just didn't obviously go with the color scheme I wanted for this spread. So our boxes are just going to be the purple and green. And just a couple more right in here, I think. Is that one crooked? Okay, I think that will do it. Let's get these stickers pressed down a little bit more. And then all that is left to do is to punch out those holes, and I think that is good for this week. I do like it. I'm excited for how it turned out. Now that I see it, there really isn't a whole lot of blue, but at least I have some blue on both sides. I love balance. And then we have a tiny pop of blue on both of those, and mostly green and purple, but I do really like how it turned out. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!